step inside this award-winning luxury townhouse on the sun-drenched shores of Marbella, Spain. Welcome to Boho Bliss, a beachfront masterpiece where modern design meets effortless elegance. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by light-filled open spaces, natural textures, and panoramic sea views that steal your breath away. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on the private terrace, waves gently crashing just steps away, or hosting sunset dinners with friends overlooking the Costa del Sol. Every detail here whispers sophistication, from the sleek modern kitchen to the cozy yet refined living areas, to the luxurious bedrooms designed for pure relaxation. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, blending Andalusian charm with international luxury. Whether you dream of a personal coastal retreat or a show-stopping vacation home, Boho Bliss is where those dreams come to life. Priced at €1,370,000, this masterpiece offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 elegant bathrooms, and 159 square meters of stylish living space that's about €8, 616 per square meter. Whether you're looking for a private retreat or a profitable investment, this property is a rare gem on Spain's southern coast. Don't miss out on more dream home tours and luxury real estate gems from around the world. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and join our growing community of design lovers, architecture fans, and real estate enthusiasts.